Welcome back to Money Tech Reviews today. And it is a cold day in Georgia. My light's going. I see it's a little rough out here. If you haven't noticed that Georgia had a cold front. We got snow outside. Let me show you the snow. In Georgia. Yes, that's outside. I see white. That's outside the office. We got white snow outside in Georgia, January the 22nd. Money Tech Reviews. Today we out working on these custom orders. We got some PSP, some Fortnite, some orders going on. Got a light box with a graffiti bead on top, but yeah. You got a light box for the Fortnite. We got the old banana peel man, whatever it is, peel banana man. And then the PS5 thing working on. Xbox controllers. We are working on card holders, Xbox controllers. Yeah, these two are the card holders I'm working on. This is an order that's already been made for someone. Customer, they wanted this and that color. Some test products. Working on got the Grand Theft Auto waste design. We working. I ain't got another Fortnite headstand I got to put together. It's gonna be tight though. And then with the banana peel, man. Oh, so that's what we're working with. Working with PlayStation, Xbox. This is for a customer. That's me, but this is for a customer at a car dealership. And I was working on probably putting a lion or something because he's African and he wanted something with a lion. So, I was thinking about getting the lion. The lion is rough. I ain't gonna need a lot. The lion got roughed up. He a little bald. Lion a little bald. But if you put that lion on top of that, if I can get all this extra stuff out the background, put that lion on there, that'll be tight. I might have to make him black with the gold hair or something maybe. All gold, make him little bitties in front of the car holder. We get there. And I gotta do maintenance on these. We had some failures only due to the rods not being light on. Go V light up there. Nice. This nice little brightness down here. We working on now station. We got the gyro grip plates. These plates, I like them so far. Cool plates definitely is saving energy when you're using these cool plates, especially when we got all the printers going on. You're saving a lot of energy on the cool plate because heating the bed plate is the most temperature, electricity usage, voltage, you know what I'm trying to say, from the 3D printers. So if you can cut that down, nice amount, saves on the energy bill, electricity. Gotta save that money. Got to save that money. So these definitely are. Bye. Ain't working. Did some tests with it, the little spiral test. See, it does stick pretty good to the bed plate. Didn't have to use no adhesion. You just wipe it, a little water, I believe. Pretty good to go. And even got the other cool plate. This is a different cool plate, but there you go. See, there you go. That's a cool plate. It's pretty good too. So I'm not just hoping they get to some more designs on these cool plates, so we can get that nice design that we have. We use these some build plates. So definitely, I'll be switching out the build plates to see the design, see how it matches and what's what. Like some customers like the little design, something like it plain. You want to keep it all universal. It is what it is. But you got the different build plates that you can get on Amazon and all the other stores online. But it's a little too quiet in here. We got to get these printers working. We got orders to make and we got to get it going. And we got to fix all this. We got to organize this. I got the graffiti bin. And I got drawers, dressers, all that. But still working on it, getting these orders going. It still ain't created the website yet. Woo, ain't enough time in the world. Money Tech Reviews gonna be doing these 3D printing video vlogs weekly on what I got going on in the shop. It's a little small right now. Work on it, but we gonna get it together. Money Tech Reviews, hit that like and subscribe. Gonna be doing DIY. So look at this. I got dressers, drawers I just put together. I got this I gotta put together. So other things I gotta put together. So it ain't just all 3D printing with D&D. Why? Do it yourself. Save that money, because we're going to definitely save that money. Money Tech Reviews. Be blessed. Invest in yourself. Stay safe. Hit the like button, subscribe, share it. We definitely going to be getting these. Let me know what do you think about any of these Fortnite or gaming accessories, or even the car accessories. Let me know. What do you think? You like one? Would you buy one? Let me know. That's going to light up. It's going to be real nice. It's going